Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PV. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So today I'm back again. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. It's going to help us a lot. It's going to help us a lot. So if you are watching this video, kindly help us to like and comment on this video and share your experience so far. Are you trading with this strategy that we have been dropping a lot on this channel? And also you can also join our Telegram group to have access to a lot of benefits thing. Even as a beginner, you can learn this strategy and begin to trade your trade every time, every day. So today I'm back again with another powerful strategy. Since you guys always visit my video every time, so I've decided to take more research on getting another best strategy for you guys. So today this strategy is very powerful and it's only working on high time frames. It's only working on 30-minute time frames. It's only working on 1 hour time frames. So I'm going to make this video on boom 500 and crash 500. As you can see, this is boom 500 on 1 hour time frames, and I'm going to explain how it really works on boom 500 and crash 1000. So before I explain it to you, let me show you the settings of this strategy. Let me show you the settings of this strategy. As you can see now, we have a retrace back at this level, and the market make us to have a sell down. And you see from here we have a pull down. We have a spike catching up there, and now we are having our sell on this entry. So let me show you the settings of this strategy before I explain how this strategy really works. So from the settings of this strategy, we have I have just only 3 strategy there. I have just only 3 strategy, and this strategy is the combination of my MACD, is the combination of my relative strength index and my Williams percentage range. So on my MACD, I have the parameter of EMA of 12. I have the slow EMA of 26. I have my MACD SMA of 9. I have applied to close. And also I have my main style to be in this color, and I have my signal to be in red color. Then you press on done, and also I also have my relative strength index, which I have the period of 14. I have applied to close, and I have the style to be in blue color. You see, I have a level also at this level, which is my 80, my 50, and my 15. So these are the entry that I always want to take my trade. I'm always very active in this particular entry. So anytime I'm having my price reaching that particular level, I have to be sensitive enough to follow the rules that this strategy really works. So I believe it can really work for you guys. And also I have another my Williams percentage range. I have the period of 14, and I have my style to be in yellow color. You see, I don't apply any level on this. Then you press on done. Then you have it on your setup. So if you follow this setup, just screenshot it and set it the way I set it up in this video. So let me teach you how this particular strategy really works for me, and I believe it's going to work for you guys also. So as you can see now on my window 1, this is my main chart, and this is my window 1. On my window 1, I have my MACD there, which is my red color here. I have the MACD there, and I have the relative strength in there, which is my blue color at this level, and I have my Williams range, which is the yellow color at this level. So what are the things that I need to understand before using this strategy? Okay guys, let me tell you, for me to identify the right time for me to enter this particular trade is exactly when my MACD is above the MACD signal. This is the MACD, and this is all this ethograph that you see here is my MACD signal. So when I have my MACD 9, which is the red line, that is crossing above the MACD signal. You see, at this particular level now, you see my MACD, it crossed above the MACD signal here. You see, it crossed above the above the histograph here. I believe if you listen to what I'm saying now, you guys, you will really have a lot of trade to take using this particular strategy. You see, we have the what? We have the MACD on this side, and it crossed the MACD signal at this level. You see, it's jumped above it. So from this particular side now, you see that the red line is not crossing the histograph here. You see, there is a difference there. That's the first confirmation for you to what? To check. When you check that the MACD, it's above the MACD signal, then that's the first confirmation. And also, the second thing that you need to check is to check your RSI, which is the blue line as you are seeing here. Is going to be what? Is going to be below the 50 level. Is going to be below the 50 level. And also, when you check your Williams percentage range, it's going to be below the what? 15 level. Let me repeat myself, guys. Let me explain to you again. So the first thing you need to confirm is to confirm your MACD, which is this red line that's cross each other. So we have the MACD here. We have the MACD signal, which is the histograph that you have seen that is appearing on a line at this particular side. You see, they are in brown color. You see, you have it there. So when your MACD line cross above the MACD signal, which is this, you see there is a space between the 9 and the what and the histograph here. So immediately it cross my 80 level, which is going to cross the histograph. Then I have my first confirmation. Then the second confirmation is to check my RSI. When I check my RSI, it must be below 50. It must be below 50. You see, currently now we are having the RSI at the what at our below 50 here. So, and also another third confirmation that you must have is to check your Williams percentage range, and we must have it below the 15 level. So when these three confirmations agree to each other, then this is the right time for you to enter the trade and begin to take your trade down at this particular level. You see, guys, let me show you. This really works on high time frames. I'm explaining to you guys on 1 hour time frames on Boom 500. Let me show you how it really works also when it comes to taking up the buy zone. So when you want to take your buy zone, this is exactly what you are going to be checking out. You are going to be checking out the way you check it when you want to take your buy zone or your selling zone is exactly the way you are going to check it also. You are going to be checking out your MACD 9 and your MACD signal. So when the MACD signal, when it cross, you see, let's check this particular side. You see that the red line do what? It keep on crossing. It crossed the histogram at this level. It crossed it. This place still reach that red line, and it cross it at this level. When it crosses at this level, another confirmation that you must see is that your RSI must be above 50. Must be above 50 level. You see, our RSI, which is our blue line here, it has reached above 50. And another confirmation that you must have is when your Williams is above 80 level. You see, it's above 80 level. So you are going to be on particular between these two candle. You see that? So with that, you can easily take up your buy entry. Imagine how much this is going to be in 1 hour time frames. If you take that trade, you imagine how this is going to be. If you take it with 0.20, you know how much this is going to be. It's going to be around $100 to $200 in 1 hour time frames. You see, guys, this is exactly what I've been using, and it's really working for me. You see, let's go for more examples so that you guys can really see what I'm telling what I'm trying to explain for you guys. You see, we have another entry at this particular. It works on high time frames. You see, we have another entry at this particular spot. The first confirmation that we need to do is to check our MACD9, which is our red color here. It have to cross above the what? The MACD signal. You see, there is a gap between the MACD9 and the MACD signal. There is a gap between them. So once it indicates this particular gap, then you begin to check your second confirmation. Maybe there is a what? Maybe there is your RSI is above 50. You see, it's above 50, and you also need to check your what? You also need to check your your William also. Maybe it's what? It's above 80. You see now, it's confirmed. Then what do? You take your trade. You see now, if you take your trade at this particular time now, you will have make a lot of what? A lot of money. So you see it pull back there, and they still give us a what? A uptrend up to this level. You see, that's exactly what the market always do. You see, it keep on giving us a what? A best accurate time for us to enter the what? Enter the market. You see, at this particular level now, you see there is a gap between the MACD and the MACD signal, and our RSI, it has reached above 50, and our William is what? Is above what? Is above 80. You see, when you can easily take up your what? Your trade at this level, and when you take that particular trade, you see you are going to make a what? A lot of profits. So you just imagine how much is that in 1 hour time frames. So let me show you how it also works in Boom 500. Don't worry, for guys who love to trade in Crash 1000, I'm going to show you exactly what is how you can use that Crash 1000 and Boom 1000 to trade on high time frames. So let's check this. You see, there is another confirmation at this level. You just don't worry about the zooming level. You can use any zoom level. You can use but currently now I'm using just the third zoom level. I'm using the third zoom level. So check this out. Let's see what happened here. You see now there is a space between the MACD and the MACD signal here. We have the space, and we have our confirmation that our RSI has reached above 50, and we also have the confirmation that our William percentage range is what? Is above 80. Then what do? We enter our trade for what? For buy zone. You see now, you take up the trade up to this level. You take up the trade up to this level. Immediately you confirm this. Even you can still wait for another candle to appear before you can take the trade, and you still have your trade successfully. You see, let's check what the current market is now. You see, immediately this team match, it crossed above the MACD signal, which is crossed here. And what happened to our RSI? RSI is still above 50, but for us to take a sell entry, it have to be below 50. But you see, it's not confirmed yet. Then we keep on waiting. We keep on waiting till it respects that particular rules that we set down for us. You see, it crosses at this level, and our MACD, it crossed the histograph at this level. You see, it crossed it here, and when we check our RSI, it has reached below the 50, and when we check our William percentage rate, it has reached below the 15 level. Then what do? You take down your trade. You take down your trade, and you take down your trade at this level. You see now, currently now we have the market that have reached this particular level at this side. You see, if you are not too greedy in the market, you will have exit your market at this level. You see, so that's exactly what is happening now. But now the market is still going to respect that particular level, and it's still going to be keep on selling down. You see now, so that's exactly what I told you guys to do. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and you can also like and comment on this video, and also you can also join our Telegram group.